Conjugation of the verb to cook in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple conjugation of the verb to cook in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I cook. 2. Simple past, I cooked. 3. Simple future, I will cook. 4. Present continuous, I am cooking. 5. Past continuous, I was cooking. 6. Future continuous, I will be cooking. 7. Present perfect, I have cooked. 8. Past perfect, I had cooked. 9. Future perfect, I will have cooked. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been cooking. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been cooking. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been cooking. Conjugation of the verb to cook, he, she or it. 1. Simple present, he, she or it cooks. 2. Simple past, he, she or it cooked. 3. Simple future, he, she or it will cook. 4. Present continuous, he, she or it is cooking. 5. Past continuous, he, she or it was cooking. 6. Future continuous, he, she or it will be cooking. 7. Present perfect, he, she or it has cooked. 8. Past perfect, he, she or it had cooked. 9. Future perfect, he, she or it will have cooked. 10. Present perfect continuous, he, she or it has been cooking. 11. Past perfect continuous, he, she or it had been cooking. 12. Future perfect continuous, he, she or it will have been cooking. Conjugation of the verb to cook, you, we or they. 1. Simple present, you, we or they cook. 2. Simple past, you, we or they cooked. 3. Simple future, you, we or they will cook. 4. Present continuous, you, we or they are cooking. 5. Past continuous, you, we or they were cooking. 6. Future continuous, you, we or they will be cooking. 7. Present perfect, you, we or they have cooked. 8. Past perfect, you, we or they had cooked. 9. Future perfect, you, we or they will have cooked. 10. Present perfect continuous, you, we or they have been cooking. 11. Past perfect continuous, you, we or they had been cooking. 12. Future perfect continuous, you, we or they will have been cooking. Verb to cook forms. Present simple I, you, we, they cook. He, she, it cooks. Past simple cooked. Past participle cooked. Ing form cooking.